Did you know that every 3 seconds, someone in the world develops dementia? That means by the time you finish this video, dozens of new families will have a loved one diagnosed. Doctors often tell us memory decline is simply part of aging. But recent breakthroughs in brain science prove that's not entirely true. What we call forgetfulness of age is often the result of 2 hidden enemies: silent brain inflammation and nutrient starvation. When these 2 forces weaken neurons, communication breaks down and memory fades away. Here's the shocking part. While drug companies spend billions creating pills that only mask symptoms, nature has already given us foods that can nourish, protect, and even regrow brain cells. And you won't hear about it in the mainstream because dementia and Alzheimer's treatments are now a $350 billion industry. Prevention isn't profitable. Today we're pulling back the curtain. You're about to discover 8 powerful foods, ranked from helpful to life-changing, that can protect your brain and keep your memory sharp well into your 70s, 80s, and even 90s. Be sure to stay with me until the end, because number 1 is so powerful it stimulates actual regrowth of brain cells. Something scientists once believed was impossible. Number 8. Eggs. For decades, eggs were demonized as cholesterol bombs. But new research has flipped that myth on its head. Eggs are one of the most complete brain foods nature has given us. The secret lies in a nutrient called choline. Your brain uses choline to create acetylcholine, the neurotransmitter that controls memory, focus, and learning. Older adults with higher choline intakes scored dramatically better on memory tests. Their brains literally functioned like they were years younger. The trick? Don't overcook them. Scrambled eggs at high heat can destroy delicate nutrients. Instead, go for soft-boiled, poached, or gently fried. And never throw away the yolk. That's where the choline lives. Number 7. Dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Chocolate can be good for your brain, but not the sugary milk bars lining store shelves. Real dark chocolate, at 70% cacao or higher, is loaded with flavonoids, compounds that increase blood flow to the hippocampus, the memory center of your brain. In one landmark study, older adults who consumed cocoa flavonoids daily for 3 months showed memory improvements equal to someone 20 to 30 years younger. The catch: avoid pairing chocolate with milk or cream because dairy blocks absorption. A small square of quality dark chocolate daily is enough to boost focus, mood, and memory. Number 6. Fatty fish. Your brain is made up of nearly 60% fat, and it needs the right kind to stay strong. Omega-3 fatty acids are the building blocks of brain cells, especially one called DHA, which makes up about 20% of your brain's structure. Without enough DHA, neurons shrink and connections weaken. In seniors, omega-3 deficiency leads to measurable brain shrinkage. But studies show eating fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, or trout at least twice a week cuts dementia risk nearly in half. Always bake, steam, or grill fish at moderate temperatures. Frying destroys these fragile fats. Add a squeeze of lemon or herbs to enhance absorption. Number 5. Beans. They may seem ordinary, but beans are one of the most underrated brain-protecting foods. Packed with folate, magnesium, and resistant starch, they feed your neurons with steady energy instead of sugar spikes. Research shows seniors who eat beans regularly have significantly lower rates of memory decline. In fact, the blue zones, regions with the longest living people, all feature beans as a daily staple. Lentils, black beans, and chickpeas are excellent choices. To avoid gas or bloating, soak them overnight and cook slowly. Number 4. Nuts. Nuts are like tiny brain capsules. Walnuts are rich in plant omega-3s. Almonds provide vitamin E, nutrient proven to slow Alzheimer's progression. And Brazil nuts deliver selenium, which detoxifies harmful metals linked to cognitive decline. A large-scale Harvard study found that seniors who ate nuts 5 times per week had sharper memory and slower brain aging. Just one caution: nuts spoil quickly. Store them in the freezer to protect delicate oils. Eat a small handful of raw, unsalted nuts daily, not roasted or heavily salted. Number 3. Berries. Berries, especially blueberries, are brain superstars. Their deep colors come from anthocyanins, antioxidants that cross the blood-brain barrier and repair neurons. They also stimulate neurogenesis, the growth of brand new brain cells. In clinical trials, seniors who ate blueberries regularly delayed memory decline by more than 2 years. And here's the best part. Frozen berries retain nearly all their benefits. Add them to oatmeal, smoothies, or salads. Just avoid sugary syrups or artificial berry drinks. They won't give you the same power. Number 2. Extra virgin olive oil. Sometimes called liquid gold, extra virgin olive oil does far more than flavor your salad. Scientists recently discovered it activates a brain-cleaning process called autophagy, which removes toxic proteins like beta-amyloid, the same substance that clogs brains in Alzheimer's patients. It also strengthens synapses, the tiny connections between neurons, making memory retrieval faster and clearer. But not all olive oil is real. Many cheap brands are mixed with vegetable oils. Look for one that's labeled cold-pressed extra virgin, the slightly bitter or peppery aftertaste. That's how you know the protective compounds are intact. Use it raw over vegetables, beans, or bread. Number 1. Lion's mane mushroom. This may be the most powerful brain food you've never heard of. Lion's mane is a shaggy white mushroom that stimulates nerve growth factor NGF, a compound essential for repairing and regenerating neurons. For decades, scientists believed damaged brain cells couldn't regrow. Lion's mane changed that belief. In human trials, seniors with mild memory loss regained significant cognitive function after just 12 weeks of supplementation. Some restored nearly half their lost memory capacity. Beyond memory, lion's mane also supports mood, focus, and nerve healing throughout the body. It can be eaten, cooked, brewed as tea, or taken as a capsule. And unlike many supplements, its effects are backed by both tradition and modern science. So what does this mean for you? Memory decline isn't simply getting old. It's often the result of inflammation, nutrient gaps, and lifestyle habits. The right foods can fight back. Eggs, dark chocolate, fatty fish, beans, nuts, berries, extra virgin olive oil, and lion's mane mushroom all nourish and protect the brain in unique ways. Imagine starting your morning with eggs and blueberries, enjoying a bean and olive oil salad for lunch, and finishing your day with salmon and a square of dark chocolate. So let me ask you, which of these brain foods are you excited to try first? Share your answer in the comments. We love hearing your stories, and who knows, your journey could inspire someone else to protect their brain health. Remember, dementia is not inevitable. With the right nutrition, your mind can stay sharp, focused, and vibrant for decades to come. The future of your memory is in your hands and on your plate.